on guys, I need your help, please subscribe. Whoa. Yo, what's up guys, back to me, Tech. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Reddit, something went wrong. Like, as you can see here, wait, it's loading, and it's loading too long, and after it's loaded, it's gonna say something went wrong, like this. So we had some trouble getting into Reddit. It's maybe you see this photo because I already opened Reddit before. So let me show you how to fix this. First, you're gonna go to the Play Store. You're gonna go, wait, this is loading. You're gonna search VPN. If you think this is gonna be hard, maybe you think this gonna take time. No, it's not. It's not gonna take time. All you need is just download this. This is so recommended because you're not gonna get ad. Maybe you're gonna get it, but only 1 or 2 times. Or it's just my phone, I don't get any ad. I don't know why. So this is so recommended for you. Turbo VPN, free VPN, proxy server, and secure service. We're gonna wait 10%, 29%, 53%, 77%, 99%, and installing. So gonna wait faster than fast. Okay, let me pause it. Okay, so it's already downloaded. You're gonna open it, but before you open it, let me show you. So okay, so this is my Reddit. Okay, you can see my Reddit. It's still loading. Okay, so it's still like this, and I'm gonna reload this. You're gonna see it's not gonna be loaded because something went wrong. We had some trouble getting into Reddit. So we're gonna go to Turbo VPN. I agree. Click on I agree, and then just wait. It's loading. Okay, so right here, you can actually click on the Earth logo button, icon button. You can click, you can change the where you're gonna put the server, but I recommend you to click on the select the fastest server. And right here, we're gonna click on the caret icon. We're gonna click on that. If they ask you allow Turbo VPN to create a VPN connection, please do not allow this request if you do not trust this app. Otherwise, you may be at risk of network monitoring and malicious data theft. Maybe you're gonna click do not ask again on the client, and you're gonna click always allow. It's gonna connecting. Okay, so maybe you're gonna see ad at first time. Okay, it's already connected. You're gonna wait. You're gonna go to you're gonna go to the Reddit. Right here, you can see the loading. Wait. Okay, you can see the loading. It's gonna be loaded, but maybe this takes time. But yeah. So this is already loaded. Last photo is just about Felix and his fan, and this time, this is the new upload. You can see the time, it's now. This is why I live. Living to life, to achieve, to succeed, to look at memes. So, I recommend you to join PewDiePie submissions because you can see meme in there. At there, and it's so funny. So, that's the only thing I'm gonna show you. You can actually reload it again. you're gonna see the new photo, the new memes. It just comes up. Okay, as you can see, it's reloaded. Oh, okay, the video is gonna go ended. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and bye.